How to resize an image using OpenCV in Python. To resize an image in Python, you can use cv2 resize function of OpenCV library cv2. First things first, let us import cv2 in our Python program. Before doing any transformation on the image, we need to read the image. cv2 imRead function reads the image. If you see the function definition, the first argument is the path to the image file. Our image is in the same folder as that of our Python program. Therefore, we can just give the image file name. No need of complete path. If your image file is located at a different location, then you can give the absolute path or a relative path. The second argument is the flags that control on how the image is read. For the time being, let us give it as cv2 imRead unchanged. This lets us read any type of image like PNG, JPG without making any changes to the color channels or the number of color channels. Now, cm2 imRead function returns the image as matrix-like object. Store this returned object in a variable. Okay, we have the image. Now the resizing needs to happen. cv2 resize function can be used to resize the image. If you see the function definition, the first argument is the source image. Let us give the input image that we have just read into img variable for this argument. The second argument is desize, meaning desired size of the output image or desired size of the resized image. Desired size is a tuple of a desired width and height. For the time being, let us give fixed values like 100 and 200. 100 is the desired width and 200 is the desired height, let us say. The resize function with the given arguments should resize the source image to 100 by 200 image and return that image. Let us store the returned image in output variable. And now let us save this resized image as output.jpg. Run the program. Output.jpg has been created. Open the output image. Let us compare the output image with the original source image. The width of the output image is 100 pixels and the height is 200 pixels. Now let us change the desired size to 100 pixels by 100 pixels and run the program again. If you observe the output image, the aspect ratio of the resulting image may change, but cropping is not done. Only resizing of the image is done. Now how can we resize the image by preserving the aspect ratio? Now, we can preserve the aspect ratio if we know the width and height of the original image. Shape property on the image object or matrix-like object returns its height and width. Let us store them in variables height and width. For example, let us say that we would like to resize the original image to 25% of its original width and height. Then the desired size has to be calculated using this 25% and original width and height. The desired size would be a tuple of 25% of the original width and 25% of the original height. Run the program. Open the output image. The output image has been resized to 25% of the original image, both on the width and on the height. There is another way of resizing while preserving the aspect ratio. That is, suppose we need a specific width of 150 pixels and we would like to preserve the aspect ratio. Using this desired width and original image shape, we have to compute the desired height. And the formula is this: original height times the desired width divided by the original width. Of course, we need integer value. So we convert this um, desired height into integer value. Run the program. The output image has been resized to a specific width of 150 pixels while preserving the aspect ratio. You can also fix to a specific desired height and then calculate the desired width to preserve the aspect ratio. This is how we resize an image using OpenCV in Python. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.